Hi, my name's Chris Kearns and I'm the Regional Manager for Altus Consulting UK. I'm joined today by Ian Stuart. Ian is one of our data visualization specialists. He's a Power BI specialist, and he also heads up our training team and delivers a lot of our training courses. Hi, Ian.
Hi, Chris.
Just wanted to have a quick chat with Ian today to share more information about our Power BI Data Visualization course. So, Ian, over to you. Can you tell us about the course and why we created it?
So Power BI Data Visualization, or PBIDV as we sometimes refer to it, is a deeper dive into the visualization aspects of Power BI than we can get into on our introductory course. So we have a course called Power BI Dashboard in a Day, which gives a broad but shallow introduction to all of the Power BI functionality, or the vast majority of the Power BI functionality. But we can only get so deep into the visual aspects on that day. So we can teach students how to create some very basic charts, line charts, column charts, tables. But on having a whole day concentrated on just the visualization aspects, we can get into a lot deeper functionality, more advanced chart types, drill throughs, so that students can go from a very basic knowledge of how to create some very simple charts to the point where they can create much more engaging and impactful reports for their consumers.
Fantastic. And who would you say the course is suitable for, Ian?
So anybody that's attended Power BI Dashboard in a Day and wants to get deeper into visualizations, or if they're self-taught and have got to the point where they're quite confident with Power BI and creating visuals, but they know that there's some things that they would like to do, they've heard about, but are not quite sure how to do them. They would be ideal candidates for this course.
Excellent. And how is the training day structured?
So we approach the training in the tried and tested explanation, demonstration, imitation, practice methodology, where we explain something, demonstrate that functionality or that chart. We then hand over to the students to imitate and practice through an exercise. There are 4 chapters to the training, the first being report functionality and appearance. And in here, we first of all talk about Power BI themes and Power BI templates before we get into conditional formatting and spark lines. And then we also get into trends and forecasts, how we can do those. The next chapter is about report interactivity and navigation. And here we get into custom tooltips and drill throughs, very powerful features that can really bring your reports to life. Also in this section, we look at bookmarks and buttons. Again, knowledge of these features can really make our reports very impactful. And finally, in that chapter, we talk about what if parameters, so we can model different scenarios, different changes, and what impact they may have on our business. The next chapter is about connection types and row level security. So we look at the different ways that we can connect to data and how that may impact row level security, which is a way of limiting the data that different audiences can see. The final chapter is about the Power BI service. So once our report is published, what else can we do in the service? Such as creating Power BI dashboards for easy navigation and surfacing high-level KPIs to our audience, and Power BI apps, which is the recommended way of distributing content to our audience. Each chapter has at least one, sometimes several exercises for the students to be able to practice.
Fantastic. Sounds like a very comprehensive course. So what would be a couple of things you'd like students to take away from the one-day training?
Well, one of the things they get is the Altus Power BI theme file. So that's a deliverable in its own right. It has a lot of value. It's something that we've developed for internal use over many years now, and we've honed it and improved it over those years. But we make that available to clients, customers, and students on this course. And you can take that away and customize it for your own corporate colors, for example. Additionally, we want students to have an increased knowledge of more advanced visualization features in Power BI and be confident with how to leverage those in their own reports.
Fantastic. Well, thanks very much, Ian. And hopefully that gives you a bit more of a feel for what we cover in the Power BI Data Visualization course, who it's suitable for and what you can expect to take away. If you'd like to learn more, check out the links in the video description. We have scheduled public training courses, and we also have private training courses that we're able to deliver for groups of up to 15 people in your organization. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to get in touch. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.